In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up a clip and automatically close gaps in Adobe Premiere Pro. Speed changes are a great way to tighten pacing, match music, or create dynamic moments without re-editing your entire timeline. Here's the cleanest way to do it so your sequence stays organized and you don't leave empty spaces behind. Start by locating the clip you want to speed up in your timeline. Right-click directly on that clip and choose Speed Duration from the menu. This opens a small dialog that controls how fast your clip plays and, as a result, how long it is in the timeline. In the speed field, increase the percentage to anything above 100%. Think of 100% as real time. Setting it to 150% makes the clip play 1.5 times faster and shortens its duration. Doubling it to 200% makes it twice as fast and half as long. As you raise the number, watch how the duration value updates to show you exactly how much shorter the clip will become. This is helpful if you're trying to hit a specific timing. Before you confirm, make sure you check the box labeled Ripple Edit, Shifting Trailing Clips. This is the key to keeping your timeline tidy. When that option is enabled, Premiere Pro will automatically move everything that comes after the sped up clip forward to close the gap created by the shorter duration. In other words, you won't be left with dead air or have to manually drag later clips to fill the space. If your audio and video are linked, they will speed up together and shift together. If something seems to stay put, it's often because the track is locked or sync lock is disabled on that track, which prevents automatic movement. After you apply the change, you'll notice the clip is shorter on the timeline, playback is faster, and the sequence remains continuous with no gaps. This approach is especially useful when you're adjusting pacing across multiple edits because it preserves the relative timing of everything that follows. It also helps maintain sync with music or voiceover since the downstream clips are kept in place relative to the sped up section. A few things to keep in mind as you evaluate the result. Very large speed increases can make motion look choppy if the original footage has a low frame rate, and any transitions or time-based effects applied to the clip may feel snappier after the change. If you need a slightly different feel, you can always reopen speed duration and nudge the percentage until it fits your timing perfectly. That's all there is to it. Right-click the clip, choose speed duration, increase the percentage above 100, and enable Ripple Edit, Shifting Trailing Clips, to automatically close gaps.